So today we are doing a spark plug change on this 2014 Hemi V8 Grand Cherokee. First step will be to disconnect the coil packs. You just press at the bottom here of the clip to release them. They squeeze down, and you move the 8 of them. And next step, I cleaned up with an air gun around the coil packs to make sure no dirt would fall. I like to mark my cylinder numbers so that when I put the coil pack I can put them back in the same location. Otherwise you just have to pull it up. Easiest way to get to the spark plugs, your 5/8 spark plug socket, a 3-inch extension. And if you just do this, you are gonna get a little bit deep there. You won't be able to get to the socket. So you add this swivel extension to it, like this, and so here I've removed the 16 spark plugs, 2 per cylinder, and they're all pretty much in the same shape. So the new spark plugs are NJK 4469. They are the iridium ones. And you can see the old spark plug here, which actually was a slightly different model. So this is the IL045E that was on the car, F5E11. They are actually for 112,000 miles. They are still in pretty good shape. The gap on those is actually 41,000 of an inch, and so 0.041 when I measured it with my feeler gauge. And the new one that NJK recommends at 44,000 were actually gapped at 41, and the Jeep manual recommends them at 43. So I'm not, they are all gapped exactly the same way, so I just checked them. So I'm going to leave them this way because they have exactly the same gap at the old plugs, and I'm going to put them back in like this. So first step, I just insert the spark plugs in the hole and let them slide down to the bottom. Step 2, I insert my socket. Set my socket, make sure I'm making sure I'm straight, and I just start everything by hand. Don't want to start with any ratchets until you are sure you are aligned and the spark plug is getting it. After that, I'm just using my Milwaukee ratchet to finish tightening, pre-tightening. The last step is to check the torque. It's 18 Newton meter, or if you go in foot-pounds, at 30.3 foot-pound. That was very close with the ratchet. 18. The last step is just to reinsert the coil packs. We put them back in the same location as they were originally. And just push it down until it's flush. And you can take your 10mm ratchet. There's a torque spec also for those. And when we are done, just reconnect the coil packs. Well, I'm just going to put the cover back on the engine and do a test. Here we are with the cover plugged back on, and we're ready to give it a try. Here we are. This is a success. And here is how to change the spark plugs on a Grand Cherokee Hemi V8 2014 Summit, this one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.